ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj gifted us a beautiful message today regarding to listen Gurbani and bring it into a practical life. Living into Gurbani, living according to Gurbani is a real bliss, beauty, all beautiful things happen in our life. When we were in school, my teacher taught us a beautiful poem. The poem was Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken. It's a beautiful poem. So Robert Frost starts the poem with two roads diverged in a yellow wood. And sorry I couldn't travel both. And be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. And in the end, he regrets. He says, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the differences. Guruji advising us today's message that when we lose faith, when we lose our belief in ourselves, when we lose our faith in Vaheguruji, when we lose faith in ourselves, and then what happen? All the deceptions, all the negativity, all the unproductive things happened in our life. Life becomes imbalanced. When we live an imbalanced life, brings all kind of sufferings and miseries. So after studying this world in a wrong way, we say this world is full of deception, this kind of that, because we do not listen to Gurbani. We don't listen to Guru. Our Guruji has gifted us a beautiful wisdom. Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj is a ocean of the wisdom. If we take the wisdom, we sit with him, we learn from him, he can teach all the lessons of our life. How you can live so blissful, how you can live so beautiful in this world while living, make your life beautiful and make others' life beautiful as well. So, next line Guruji says that bin simran jo jeevan balna. When we live in the deception, when we live in the miseries, when we live in the suffering, the life actually is like long life, living a long life serpent who always lives in a poison. In the same way, that poison of hatred, that poison of jealousy, and same way that poison of ego, that poison of lust, that poison of greed, that poison of worldly attachment actually warns our life as well. So this is the personification taking of the sarper. Sarp meaning is a snake that lives a long life but always in a poison. So how we can win this world? How can we win ourselves? Guruji advised us to conquer your mind. Man jeeta jag jeet. If you wanna win the whole world, win your mind. Fight with your mind. Every day, fight with your mind. So you cannot change anybody in the world, but you only can change. You can conquer your mind. So Guruji advising us, if you have all the pleasures of this world, you have all the kingdom of this planet, then end of the day you will lose the game of this life, because the purpose of the life is to meet God. The purpose of the life is to recognize yourself. The purpose of the life is to awaken yourself. The purpose of the life to live beautiful, live blissful, and live graceful, and let live others also in the same manner. So are we making a right choice today? So Guruji actually advising, if you wanna get rid of your suffering, if you wanna get rid of your miseries, so focus on Vaheguru's name. Chant, wake up early morning, chant Gurmantar, Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Start for 5 minutes, and this will change your whole game. This programming gonna change your whole game, and all the beauty, bliss, and gracefulness will be on your way. Let's make a right choice today. ਬੇਅੰਤ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਮਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ।